I've got some good news today. Watermelon season is officially here in Florida. I picked up 2 huge watermelons this morning, and I'm about to devour this here. What I do is I make like these little watermelon pizzas. I slice it and then cut it like a pizza. It's a nice way to eat it. It's easy, you know. And so watermelon season, what an awesome season, what an awesome fruit. You know, I looked up a few things on watermelon. It is the highest in lycopene of any fruit or vegetable. And lycopene is an antioxidant that helps fight cancer, heart disease. What else does it do? It also helps with age-related eye disorders because it's high in vitamin A, which is good for your eyes and your skin, high in vitamin B6, which is important for the immune system and nerve function, and high in vitamin C, again, good for the immune system, and potassium, which is helpful to lower blood pressure. It has zero, that's right, zero fat or cholesterol. But a good-sized watermelon, 1,400 calories. That's awesome. So if I eat a third to a half of a watermelon, I'm getting 500 to 700 calories. You know, that can sustain me for a while. You know, so I might need some other fruits in there to bring it up for a big lunch. But watermelon is the best. And now that it's here in Florida, hopefully they'll be shipping some to you if you're in the United States and you're looking for watermelon. And, you know, I'm in Southwest Florida, so this is the first of the season. They just came in. So now the watermelons will be coming in further north, like in northern Florida. They'll be coming in as the summer progresses. Then in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, all the way up into the Northeast, the watermelons will be good all summer. So look for those watermelons, man. They are the best. And, you know, make a meal out of it. Learn how to eat more. And watermelon, more volume of fruit because it's healthy calories. Remember, there's only 2 choices. You're either going to gravitate towards carbohydrates, which we're really designed for, or fats, which were like a secondary choice. We want the carbs to be the main source of our fuel. And learning to eat more watermelon is a very good habit to get into because your stomach will love the hydration. Watermelon's 92% water. It keeps you hydrated. Whereas real pizza, you know, the dough and the cheese cooked at, 500 degrees or 1,000 degrees, whatever, has no water. And what happens is it sucks the water out of your body. It dehydrates you so that your body can digest it and eliminate the waste. So, you know, this kind of pizza is the kind I prefer because I like to stay hydrated. I don't want to be dehydrated and eat, food that has no water. So watermelon season is here. It's time for a celebration. I'm going to devour this right here and start looking for the watermelons. And remember, make a meal of it, a mono meal. It's good for you. Your stomach will start to expand. You'll be able to eat more fruit and get the good calories in. And you won't be gravitating towards too many nuts and seeds and, combo, bombo, gourmet, raw. You don't want that. This is where the health is. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and post any questions or comments. I do my best to get back to everybody as soon as I can. All the best. Fruit up. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. Take care.